The smart home camera market is bustling with options, each promising to blend in seamlessly with our connected lives, while offering the peace of mind that comes from knowing your space is monitored. Among the myriad choices, the Wyze Cam V4 has emerged as a noteworthy contender, drawing attention for its feature-rich yet budget-friendly proposition. Having spent considerable time with the device, immersed in its functionalities, examining its performance, and comparing it with other market staples, I'm here to share a thorough review that should serve as a beacon for those navigating the crowded waters of smart home cameras. Starting with the unboxing, the Wyze Cam V4 maintains the brand's minimalist packaging ethos. Inside, you find the camera itself, a mounting kit, a USB cable, and a power adapter, alongside the quick start guide. The device exudes a compact, modern design, with its small footprint allowing it to fit unassumedly in various setups, be it on a shelf or mounted on a wall. The build quality is solid for its price point, suggesting that Wyze didn't cut corners in its physical aspect. Turning to its features, the Wyze Cam V4 is brimming with functionalities that challenge the notion that affordable can't be excellent. It offers 1080p Full HD video, which is pretty much standard but appreciated nonetheless. The night vision is powered by Starlight sensor technology, which promises clearer, crisper images in the lowest of light conditions, a claim that holds up impressively well in practice. The V4 also introduces a wider field of view compared to its predecessors, offering a more expansive coverage area without necessitating the purchase of additional units for comprehensive room surveillance. Another significant upgrade is in its motion and sound detection capabilities. The Wyze Cam V4 not only alerts you to movements and noises, but does so with an improved level of accuracy, reducing false alerts, a common complaint with many smart cameras. Customizable detection zones and sensitivity settings allow users to tailor monitoring to their precise needs, further enhancing its usability. However, what truly sets the Wyze Cam V4 apart in its feature set is its local storage option alongside the cloud-based save. Unlike many competitors that lock you into monthly subscription plans for video storage, Wyze provides a micro SD card slot, enabling continuous recording and storing footage locally for those concerned with privacy or looking to avoid recurrent fees. When assessing performance, the Wyze Cam V4 impresses with its reliability and the quality of its 1080p feeds. The live stream is fluid, with minimal lag, and the recorded footage is clear and detailed enough to discern faces and objects, even in night vision mode. The color rendition in daylight and the clarity of images under the Starlight sensor's night vision are notable highlights, setting a high bar for cameras in and even above its price range. Audio performance deserves a mention too. The two-way audio feature, which allows for real-time communication through the camera, is clear and devoid of the echoey or tinny quality that mars similar features in some other devices. It facilitates not just surveillance but interaction, be it with family members or pets, or as a deterrent to unwanted visitors. Now on to the cons, because no product is without its imperfections. The Wyze Cam V4, while offering local storage, ships without a micro SD card, meaning an additional purchase is necessary to utilize this feature fully. The motion detection, though improved, can still be tripped by light changes or shadows in high sensitivity settings, leading to some false alerts. The app, while intuitive for the most part, can have its moments of sluggishness, especially when loading video clips from the cloud. Comparatively speaking, when placed side by side with similar products like the Google Nest Cam Indoor Wired or the Arlo Pro series, the Wyze Cam V4 holds its ground remarkably well. The Google Nest Cam offers more intelligent features like face recognition, but comes at a higher cost and locks essential recording functionalities behind a subscription. The Arlo Pro series, while offering superior video quality and a weatherproof design for outdoor use, similarly places a premium on price and necessitates additional spending for cloud storage. The value proposition of the Wyze Cam V4 is its crowning achievement, offering a suite of features that, until now, were predominantly reserved for pricier models. The upfront cost combined with the optional recurring fees, should you opt for cloud storage beyond the 14-day free rolling cloud storage, presents a financially approachable entry point into home surveillance without the fear of being nickel and dimed for essential services. In conclusion, the Wyze Cam V4 stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to bringing advanced technology into the home surveillance market at an accessible price. Its blend of high-quality imaging, comprehensive features, and user-friendly design choices makes it a commendable option for both first-time smart camera buyers and seasoned users looking for an affordable addition to their security setup. While it is not without its flaws, the overall package presented by the Wyze Cam V4 offers an exceptional balance of price to performance, making it a compelling choice for those in search of reliable, budget-friendly home surveillance.